Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Ardil and today's video is all about this stunning Porsche Spyder. Our client wanted Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, however, didn't want to change the cosmetic look of inside this stunning car. So we have a little solution for that. It's an integrated Apple CarPlay and Android Auto conversion. It is no easy task on this vehicle. What actually is involved is removing the unit completely, taking it to bits, and then adding and relocating PCB boards inside the factory unit that then allow for that Apple CarPlay and Android Auto conversion to take place. I'm going to be jumping inside the vehicle now and showing you exactly how the system looks, feels, and how easy it is to use. So if you're interested, stay right to the very end, guys, and we'll tell you how you guys can get booked in with us. But that's enough talking for now. Let's jump inside the car and go from there. So now sat inside the lovely interior of the Porsche Spyder, you'll see now we've got Apple CarPlay, and this also works with Android Auto, and both completely wireless. We have run additional USB line into the system just for charging, but it is fully wireless, which is really nice. You do need that to plug in for that initial connection, but otherwise it's seamless wireless integration. In terms of Apple CarPlay, if you haven't seen it before, it's absolutely amazing. Basically, you have everything you could possibly want while driving. So you've got your phone calls, you've got everything, Spotify integration, you've got WhatsApp, Waze, literally everything you could possibly want when driving. It knows everything that your phone did. So it's got all my contacts already integrated into here. It's got my text messages come through, Spotify integration, so I can listen to music, and it just all works through your factory system. The way we actually get sound through the system is via your auxiliary port. And this system has the PCM system. So Porsches have slightly different versions depending on the kind of spec of the vehicle. All we need to basically get a quote together for you and give you an accurate price is a picture of your dashboard. What we need to see, if you put your phone kind of in between your headrest, so I can see the steering wheel as well as your dashboard, and then a zoomed in picture of this screen here and the buttons that you've got underneath, that will give us everything we need to provide you with an accurate quote. What we can also do on these, which is quite a nice little option, is to add in a reversing camera if your car doesn't have one currently. If your car has one, we can retain that, but that is something we can also add in to the factory system. You'll see here that everything is full width. It's seamless integration. It looks like it's supposed to be there, plus it's full color integration. One thing that's really important as well to mention to you guys, to go back out to the factory Porsche system, it's really easy again. All you do is you press and hold the Navi button and it flicks back through into this kind of dated looking screen. However, you probably won't want to spend any time on that because of how good CarPlay looks. You flick in and out by that Navi button and literally it flicks in, and this works for Android as well, but literally I've got all my music, everything I could possibly ask for live on here, and then it all uses the factory controls to basically play audio and also to flick through all the different settings. So you're retaining functionality, keeping that OEM look, but also adding that functionality in at the same time. But yeah, over the moon with the finished results. This is no easy install. There's quite a lot that's involved, fully removing the actual unit itself and then taking that unit apart, building in and putting in the PCB board inside that unit, running up a microphone up to the top here. Again, this all needs to be done to the highest possible standard. So they do take it within a day to do. We book normally between around about sort of 4 to 6 hours, depending on the spec of your current radio. So we do take our time with these things. However, these things need to be done properly with any install that we're doing. Our level is right up here, guys. So it does take a little bit more time. So when you are looking at choosing an installer for your system, well, obviously I'm a bit biased, you've got to come to us, but really look at how long people are actually spending in terms of installing the kit into your vehicle. But yeah, I'm over the moon with the finished results. Now let's talk a little bit more about how you guys can get booked in. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I really hope you've enjoyed it. If you're interested in having something like this installed on your vehicle, you guys know exactly what to do. All of our details is in the description below. Drop us a message on any of our social media platforms, or give us a call, or come in and see us at our Cambridge site. More than happy to go through everything in a load more detail. But hopefully today's video has shown you exactly how the system works. So if you're after an inch perfect professional install done by our team, make sure you get in contact, and we can't wait to upgrade your car very, very soon. So thank you so much again for watching. Smash that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one.